Taal, one of the most beautiful heritage towns in the south, and home of the handmade BaliSung. BaliSong is made from an old stove top, brass, steel, and plate, and horse bones. In creating a BaliSong, first thing that you'll need to work on is the handle. Precision is the key in making a perfect BaliSong, considering the handle needs to be aligned in order to put the knife inside. Next is creating the extension of the handle, which is made with brass plates. After creating the handle, the BaliSong maker needs to manually start up the grinders and grind the brass steel to make the knife. In grinding the brass steel, safety must be considered at all times. When grinding is done, the knife will be polished. Polishing the knife needs patience in order to have a sharp and shining BaliSong. Creating a BaliSong is not as easy as it looks, considering the hard work that is given to make a nice and perfect blade. The craft of BaliSong is not just a symbol of Taal, but a unique craft that has been passed on through generations, because handcrafted products have a true value that cannot be replaced.